boxes, etc. So those are going to continue to mount. And then you end up running into homes held by Becky or 91 when they peaked and before falling. That was sitting at 2 year. We've had a negative.
What's the spray paint, guys? Oh, you give it a little red. Good idea.
Position that we've taken with
Here's what I'm working on over here. I'm just installing the rope handles. It'll be kind of something like that. Basically what I'm doing, what they did on these old school wooden ammo boxes is they would carve out a little channel in there and give a 90-degree angle for extra traction and better hold on the rope. And they would probably use a router or like a saw blade of some sort. They'd take that channel out, but I'm just using a chisel. And they'd put it on there, and they would just screw it down, and it would clamp it down pretty good. There we go. There it is, it's all finished, well, pretty much. It'll be perfect for lugging around my chainsaw in style. A very stylish chainsaw box, if I do say so myself. But yeah, it's a good spot for all your sawing needs. This is what you do when you're bored.